Well, hello everybody. In this question, we are given that the roots of a cubic equation 2x cubed plus 48x squared plus cx plus d equals 0 are alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha, and we need to find alpha, we need to find c and d. So what this question is based on is the sum and product of the roots, as you probably have guessed. So if our equation was of the form, so if we had ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals 0, and then if if the roots were alpha, beta, and gamma, then we could write the sum of the roots. So we could write alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b over a, and we could write alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equals c over a, and we could write alpha beta gamma equals minus d over a. So this is what we need to remember, that if the three roots were alpha beta gamma, then it would be minus b over a, this being the standard format of the equation. So in this case you have ax cubed, so a is 2 and b is 48, c is as c and d is as d, and the roots are alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha, so we don't need to worry less variables to work out. So what we do is, if I can write, so alpha plus 2 alpha, so I can write here, so if I can write alpha plus 2 alpha plus 3 alpha is equal to minus b over a, so it's minus 48 over 2 plus minus 48 over 2, that is minus 16, minus 24, 24, and then I can, so that means 6 alpha equals minus 24, hence alpha is minus 4. So the roots are, so it's alpha, 2 alpha, and 3 alpha, so it would be minus 4, minus 8, and minus 12. So then we have, if these are the roots, so then we have to work out alpha beta plus beta alpha plus gamma alpha. So alpha and beta, so we can say minus 4 times minus 8 plus minus 8 times minus 12 plus minus 12 times minus 4, and that is equal to c over a. So that is, a is 2, so I will write it as c over 2. So therefore we can say minus 2, that's 32 plus 96 and plus 48 is equal to c over 2, and therefore c is equal to 2 times 176, that is equal to 352. So you get c is 352. So you have got c, now alpha, now we have to work out d. So let's use this third bit, alpha beta gamma is minus d over a. So alpha beta gamma again is minus 4 times minus 8 times minus 12, that is equal to minus d over 2. So therefore the minus is cancelled out and d is equal to 768. So hence we got the three values, alpha, c, and d.